Recently in Miami, there was a very successful trade show called Women in Production, a trade show spotlighting women from Haiti and women from Haiti's diaspora. We returned to Women in Productions to meet one of its strongest supporters, Elise Nelson, the CEO of Vital Voices, a nonprofit organization. Vital Voices partnered with the Women in Production trade show to spotlight Haiti's women both in Haiti and in America, and to promote business both here and abroad.
We basically search the world for extraordinary untapped potential, women leaders who we believe in the next 10 years are poised to have tremendous impact in their countries. We work with human rights leaders, political and government leaders, but also women who are building economies. And I think of all the countries we work with around the world, women in Haiti are really among the strongest. And we're here today at Diane von Furstenberg. She's on our board. She's an incredible supporter. Diane, I think, is a role model for women around the world. And she's opened up her stores early on this Saturday morning to help us celebrate artisans and entrepreneurs, women throughout Haiti who are really working to build back that country stronger through economic development and sparking new businesses. And we're here to launch the 2011 Women in Production.
There were dozens of female Haitian business owners here, all showing their work. In this segment, we spotlighted 3 young ladies. This is Guylaine. Her specialty is ceramics.
The name of my company is Guylaine of Atelier Ife.
Yes, sir. Here is Daphne Farrell, and her work is made from the horns of a bull. We spoke for Haitian chemist Maya Hippolyte with an anti-aging makeup product.
Hello, my name is Maya Hippolyte. I am the owner and creator of Morgana's Alchemy, a line of organic and anti-aging skincare. I am a Haitian cosmetic chemist, okay, and I developed them especially to start producing them in Haiti so that I can give out to, so I can have, there can be more jobs in Haiti and a nice high-end product that gives results.
Women are the emerging market. In fact, The Economist magazine recently said, forget India, forget China, forget the internet. Women will be the force to drive economic change and growth around the world. And that is certainly happening here in Miami this week with Women in Production. So we're so thrilled and honored to have Sophia Martelli here, the First Lady of Haiti, with us to lend her voice and her office and the platform to raise the voices of women in Haiti. So thank you so much for joining us.
The Women in Production trade show was a great success for women in Haiti and women in the diaspora. It also managed to get a lot of good press. It also was visited by some very notable people from Haiti, and in the future we can only expect bigger and better things for Women in Production.